Bart Baggett is among the world's leading forensic handwriting experts. Sister Lucy Truth turned to his expertise to analyze a sizable set of handwriting samples from Sister Lucy in order to detect any differences. In his analysis, he concludes that the submitted document sample, written by the post-1967 Sister Lucy, was highly likely a document written by another person with many similar characteristics in letter form and letter structure. Just the letter H. Here's the line. What they do, they consistently go below the line. They consistently over and over again go below the line. Look at the new Sister Lucy's writings. Is that below the line? That's above the line. Is that below the line? That's on the line. Okay, just the S's, the same S's. Hook, real Sister Lucy. You've got different samples. Hook. Look at here. No hook. No hook. No hook. The letters from 1967, 1969, 1980 were all forgeries. It's a clever hoax. It's a clever forgery. In summary, there are some similar strokes to the writings of Irma Lucia that would be expected if the intent of the writer was to model or copy the writer's style of handwriting. Like all forged documents, the small micro-movements and the connections of the pen often reveal details and errors that are not part of the natural writer's execution. In this case, the differences are significant and point to a different writer than the known writer Irma Lucia. There's her signatures. Same? That's the early one. The 1940s. That's 1967 and 1969. You see the differences? The loops and all that. We'll conclude this. The post-1960 writings are definitely by a different hand. These are his conclusions. A significant noticeable discrepancy arises in 1967 and every sample thereafter. Notice the 1969 letter forgery demands obedience to Paul VI. Timeline of discrepancy in handwriting matches perfectly with discrepancies in the historical and photographic evidence. What is the best explanation? Another person was posing as Sister Lucy.